In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the impact factor for a journal. The impact factor is one tool that people use to evaluate the quality of a journal. What it measures is just the frequency with which the average article in a journal has been cited in a particular year or period. If you're looking for that measure, the way that you would find it here in the VCU libraries is to first come to the Tompkins-McCall Library webpage. Once here, come to the box that says Search Collections and click on Web of Science. Once you've done this, you'll come to a page that looks like the one before you. And from here, the next step is to come up here to where it says Select the Database and click. Here you'll see several different databases. The one for our purposes to find the impact factor is right here, Journal Citation Reports. You would click on it. Once you've done that, you'll come to this page, and from here you have a couple options. You can come here and select the different edition and year of the Journal Citation Report you want. There's a Journal Citation Report Science Edition, and there's one for Social Science, depending on your interest. Now, some topics or categories or subjects, however you want to label them, appear in both editions, nursing being one of those. So I can click either one of these and select it in order to see the nursing journals. In this case, I'm going to leave it at the Science Edition, and I'm going to choose 2011 because that is the most recent year for which an impact factor has been figured. And so that will give me the most recent numbers. Now, if you are looking at other years and you want to kind of see a trend, you can look at other years by using this drop-down menu. Once you've selected your Journal Citation Report edition and year that you want, the next step is to come over here to where it says Select an Option. And from here, you can view a group of journals by subject category, publisher, country or territory, or even search for a specific journal if you want. Or you can look at all journals. I find looking at them by subject category is probably the most useful because when you're looking at the journals, you're able to see how the journals you may be interested in compare to other journals in that particular field. So I'm going to leave this just the way it is and click Submit. Once I've done that, I'll now come to a list of the categories or subjects that are covered in this particular database for finding the impact factor. And I can scroll through here as they're in alphabetical order to find a particular topic. In this case, I'm interested in nursing. But if I was interested in looking at more than one of these, what I could do is if, say, I wanted nursing and nutrition and dietetics, I could actually hold down the control button and also click on the one below nursing. And you'll notice that they're both highlighted, and if I were to go down here to submit, it would show me both. In this case, though, I just want nursing, so I'm just going to click on the nursing one. From there, I can then go to View Journal Data, and here I can sort of my journal title, total cites, impact factor, or any other measure that you see here below. In this case, I'm going to leave it at journal title. I can also look at View Category Data by looking at this particular drop-down menu and selecting it. It just depends on what your need is. In this case, though, I just want to see the nursing journals and I want them to be displayed by journal title. So I can click Submit, and what you'll now notice is that I have a list of the journals in the nursing category, and what you'll notice is that they're in alphabetical order. And over here to the right, you'll notice I have their impact factor. And in some cases, I'll even have a 5-year impact factor if you're looking for a trend. Now from here, if I wanted to switch this to seeing which journals have the highest impact factor in the field of nursing, I could come up here to Journal Title, click on this drop-down menu, and go to Impact Factor. When I do that, then I can just hit Sort again, and it will resort the journals so that the one with the highest impact factor is listed first. And that is how you find the impact factor for a journal, by using the Journal Citation Report.